Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpy TV, and thank you for watching this whole video about Aweber's news. They have reduced their sending limits. Now it is 12 times a month per plus plans. So I'll talk to you about what you need to know. They have greatly reduced their sending limits. They have this cap now, 12 times for plus plans, 10 times for light plans. So you have to figure out, is this a deal breaker for you, or do you need to switch? Especially if you are into affiliate marketing or even just plain old digital marketing, you have to figure out if this is something that you want to stick with. So throughout this video, I'll be talking about pros and cons. I'll talk about alternatives. And if you stay till the end, I'll talk about exclusive framework that I've been using to build passive income online. If that's your thing, keep on watching. About me, my name is Charles Draven. I'm from Silicon Valley. Been here building my business for over a decade. And what I did is that I tried to build my traditional business online. I was trying to use pay-per-click to get more customers for my financial consulting business. And then I ran into a bunch of offers, and a bunch of offers focused on making money online. And so I realized that once I had a kid, I wanted a more flexible lifestyle, wanted something where I could have money come in without me selling, without going to appointments and making cold calls and all that stuff. So I realized that it was a better fit for me. And so through trial and error, I discovered the power of just keeping it simple. So that's what I focus on. I like using simplistic business models. I don't want to overcomplicate my life. I want to be able to travel the world, not deal with employees, not deal with VAs, and still make money around the clock. And so that's what I teach people at InfoSpy TV. If this is something that you're cool with, if you jive with this whole idea, go ahead and like and subscribe. And let me talk about the sending limits now. So the plus plan is 12 times a month. Let me just show it to you. This is Aweber's website. This is what they're charging per month on the monthly plan. This is for people that only have 500 contacts. What happens if you have 1,000? It's 45. If you have 10,000, it's 135. And they go all the way up, 20,000. And then, of course, if you go high, you want to get the unlimited. But still, at unlimited, you still have a limit of 15x. With Plus, you have 12x. With Light Plan, which has only one email list, it is only allowing you 10 times per month if you email your whole subscriber base. Let me just show you how it breaks down in their chart here with the Plus plan. The Plus plan has, again, unlimited email lists, unlimited landing pages. It's the most suitable solution for people that want to build a list and have been building a wide variety of campaigns. So click on here, and pretty much you see it's pretty much 12 times. So those are the limits. You could see the annual cost, and they're pretty expensive. So what can you do about it? That's what we'll be talking about. But of course, the reason why I promoted Aweber is because they have maintained a high delivery rate for so many years. They've supported affiliates for many years. There's automation, has its integrations, even some business opportunities and affiliate programs. They have like seamless integrations with this system. So that's what I loved about Aweber. They also offer awesome support, but now with the pricing, they have this new pricing, and it kind of goes in line with a lot of companies that are using like a shrinkflation strategy where they offer less and charge more. That's unfortunate. So let's talk about alternatives. What are the alternatives? So I will provide you with links in my first pinned comment. So I'll say the first alternative. To me, it's getresponse. Getresponse has been an alternative, a competitor to Aweber for I don't know how long. It's been since the beginning of my digital marketing life. I just recall them always competing with Aweber. So those solutions, both Aweber and GetResponse, they are affiliate friendly. If you don't know this, most email marketing solutions, even like let's say MailChimp, very popular platform, they are not affiliate friendly. They don't like affiliates just doing pure affiliate marketing on their platform. They welcome creators, people that have a very tight relationship with their audience. But if you're doing like a lot of emails to people that are cold or lukewarm, it's very tough to build a business on many of these other autoresponder systems. So that's why I've always used Aweber and also GetResponse. And then there are more affordable solutions. The other solution I use is called Sendio. I'll put a link to that as well. Sendio, it's a cloud solution, and you connect it with a third-party server, like let's say Amazon, SES. They have a system. If you're not familiar with this, Amazon, besides e-commerce, they have something called AWS, stands for Amazon Web Services, and they offer you their technology, and you pretty much pay them as a service. So the cost for that, for every 1,000 emails, is 10 cents. So very affordable, $1 for 10,000 emails that you send out. So to me, Aweber and GetResponse, they've been competing, and they provide a lot of good benefits to affiliates. Very simple to integrate. But if you're okay learning a little bit more, maybe spending 1 or maybe 2 hours on learning about technology. I'm saying 1 to 2 hours for people that have no clue about Amazon Web Services. If you're okay with that to save money, then the second option, Sendio, is a very good option. So I mentioned so far GetResponse, and I mentioned Sendio. And then the third response, it's something that I've been using in my business as well, and it's connected to the system I use to power my pretty much passive income business. It is called Mega Builder CRM. I'm going to offer you a link to that too. And what it does, it uses AWS sending system to send out emails, but it's already kind of connected in the system. So for people that are using Sendio, you have to do a bunch of manual configuration. For people that are using this other system, there is still some manual configuration, but I would say it's less. And they also have the ability to verify emails. That is something that is offered at a slightly added cost. I believe it's like roughly about 0.2 cents per verification or something like that. It's very low, but it's worth it. And so I'll provide you with these 3 links. The benefits of the third option is that it's a pretty good CRM. It is a white label version of something called Go High Level, and you only have to pay a one-time price. So that one-time price is for the platform, but of course you have ongoing fees for using email services. And for me, I think there's a lot of benefits in having a CRM. If you want to have the ability to build out websites, landing pages, blogs, if you have e-commerce shop, all of this, and even dealing with Facebook, Instagram automations, it has all of these different things. It's a very good platform. It's more advanced, of course, and it will cost more for a one-time fee, but to me, it's pretty solid. So those are the 3 recommendations I have today. And I want to thank you for watching this. And one of the things that I mentioned I'm really into is building passive income online. Some people refer to it as semi-passive income because you still have to do some work. But my whole thing is trying to use automation, modern digital business technologies to pretty much achieve financial freedom. So if that's something that you're into, make sure that you also check out the other link. I'm going to give you the 4th link, which is something that is going to help you earn passive income online. And then that's all. This is the whole video about Aweber sending limits. Thank you for watching. And again, like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff.